Welcome to the Dintalks channel. Today's video is on the 10 amazing kitchen gadgets on Amazon. The links to the products are given in the description box. The 10th one on the list is BUTEFO 8-in-1 kitchen tool set all-in-one. Measuring cup and funnel. Measuring cup. Minimum 100 milliliters. Maximum 300 milliliters. Funnel, including two funnels, small one was made of silicone, they can be combined together to use on the smaller bottle. Squeezer and can opener. Squeezer, you can use it to squeeze fruits and enjoy fresh fruit juices, orange, lemon, etc. Can opener, made of silicone, it is convenient to open variety of bottle caps. Cheese grater and spice grater. Cheese grater, it is used to grate cheese, making it much well thaw. Spice grater, it is used to make ginger paste, garlic paste, mustard, etc. Egg separator and egg masher. Egg separator, you can use to separate the protein and egg whites. Egg masher, you can use to make egg drop and also can make small pineapple meringues, etc. The 9th one on the list. Stainless steel butter spreader, knife, 3-in-1 kitchen gadgets. Durability, we have used the highest quality stainless steel to manufacture butter knives. You can use this stainless steel butter knife confidently as it's free from certain impurities and contaminants. This cold butter knife is long-lasting, durable and highly corrosion resistant. We have designed this lovely kitchen tool to be used as butter spreader and butter curler knife. Beautiful design, perfect weight balance, and 1-inch blade make it perfect to spread the right amount of butter/jams/creams on your toast. Performance, your bread will no longer be torn into pieces, small slotted holes running down the blade edge designed to curl hard butter on your bread. One larger hole designed to curl larger amounts of butter into a rich source of energy on your toast. With the additional cheese cutter for those rainy cheese on toast days. Safety, ergonomic design and smooth finish ensured safety from injuring yourself accidentally. This butter spread knife is even safe for children to fill their toast with butter/jams and even chocolate curls. The 8th one on the list. Whisk wiper, wipe a whisk easily. The kitchen gadget that started it all. Whisk wiper has changed whisking forever. Cleaning a whisk is now easy, mess-free, and it just feels so satisfying. Clean it fast, wipe your whisk in just seconds. Save the recipe, save all that food that would normally go to waste. Keep the kitchen clean, mount your whisk on the bowl, counter, and standing up whisk wiper even catches drips. It's a spatula too. Whisk wiper's unique design allows you to wipe out the bowl, even bowls with edges. The 7th one on the list. Dreamfarm Scizza. Scizza pizza cutter. What happens when scissors meet pizza? The best thing since sliced bread, that's what. Perfectly sliced through piping hot deep dish pizza and flatbread with no mess or fuss. At your service, no matter the pizza's size, it'll be in perfect bite-sized slices in no time. The kitchen scissors glide through thick crusts thanks to the sharp edges and easy slicing action. It has a safety lock and is dishwasher safe. Cutting edge, the Scizza is designed with long-lasting 5.9-inch stainless steel blades that come apart for easy sharpening. Don't worry about scuffing your expensive nonstick pizza pans or pizza stone, the protective server leaves them scratch-free. Slide, slice, serve at pizza wheels don't dream big enough. The Scizza comes with a unique spatula shoe that also acts as a pizza server. Just slide it under your pizza, slice, pinch, pull and serve. Heat resistant to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Where dreams are made at Dreamfarm, we dream up functional kitchenware and home accessories as creative solutions to everyday problems. Find a great gift or item to complete your home and kitchen from our funky collection. The 6th one on the list. Dash Mini Maker. Craving blueberry waffles or potato pancakes? With the Dash Mini Waffle Maker, you can make single-serve dishes in less than 3 minutes. The non-stick surface allows you to perfectly cook and brown whatever is it you make, and is a fun activity for both adults and kids. Unprocess your food with the recipe book that is included with purchase, and gain access to our database of thousands of recipes for free. The 5th one on the list is NOVAYEAH bamboo cutting board with 4 containers. Easy to organize and collect, this chopping board comes with 4 pet organizer trays, which are durable, light, and easy to move. The cutting board also features integrated juice grooves to catch excess juices and dripping from spilling onto your counter or table. Natural bamboo board. The compartment board is made from untreated bamboo that is free from chemicals, water resistant, and easy to clean up. The bamboo board is covered with edible oil that acts as a barrier for the bamboo, avoiding moisture efficiently. Left or right-handed, this chopping station is perfectly available for right or left-handed users. Just turn the carving board over and rearrange the trays. Meanwhile, with the updated design of the built-in handle, the process of pattern conversion becomes so easy. Wide drop zone. The cutting board with trays is built to cut cheese, meat, chopped veggies, or prep dishes. After you chop them, slide them into tray through the large opening. By using these trays, you could cut kinds of food while leaving the countertop mess-free. The fourth one on the list. KitchenArt 57010 Select a Spice Auto Measure Carousel Professional Series. In need of easy storage for your spices? The Select a Spice Auto Measure Carousel Professional Series provides a unique way to store and sort cooking spices. The Auto Measure Carousel can be mounted under the cabinet or double stacked. 55 spice labels are included for you to apply to the 12 canisters for easy assortment, spices not included. Each canister holds 4.5 ounces of spices and automatically measures a perfect 1/4 TSP with each click. The canister also gives you the option to either shake or pour your spices out. Witness the space-saving functionality of this useful tool. The third one on the list. TILUCK Measuring Cups and Magnetic Measuring Spoon Set. Stainless steel measuring cups and spoons, and one leveler, with easy TO read cup, teaspoon/tablespoon, perfect sizes for all your measuring needs. Made of premium 18/8 stainless steel. It is made of thick stainless steel, high hardness, not easy to deform, high and low temperature resistance, rounded edges, and does not hurt hands. Intimate design. Detachable steel ring design, convenient storage, easy to hang or store in the cabinet, not taking up space. Silicone non-slip handle. The silicone handle is non-slip and durable. The curved handle fits the shape of the hand and feels comfortable. The color is easy to distinguish the capacity. The second one on the list. AGLUCKY Countertop Ice Maker Machine. Equipped with a high-quality compressor, this AGLUCKY Countertop Ice Maker can produce approximately 9 ice cubes in 6 to 13 minutes and produce approximately 26 pounds of ice cubes in 24 hours. With this low-noise countertop ice machine, you can get fresh ice in a short time. This ice maker machine is compact and comes with a carrying handle for easy portability and handling. You can use it in multiple applications such as in the kitchen or take it to a party or gathering to provide the ice you need. You'll always have ice on hand when you've got the AGLUCKY Countertop Ice Maker. This ice maker comes with an advanced self-cleaning feature, which not only saves your time and effort in cleaning, but also ensures that you can enjoy clean ice. Simply press and hold the on/off button for 5 seconds after adding water to enter this mode. The stylish and beautiful bullet-shaped ice cubes won't stick together easily and are perfect for making iced coffee, cold drinks, frozen food, or first aid. You can also eat or chew these ice cubes to get a cool sensation. Transparent cover and indicator. A transparent lid is mounted on top of the ice maker, which allows you to see the ice making process at all times. The control panel has 3 indicators and 1 button, making the operation of the countertop ice machine easier. Water tank capacity, 1.2 L. Ice storage capacity, 1.3 L/600 G. Rated volt/frequency, 115 V/60 Hz. The first on the list. EWholesalers Hanging Kitchen Trash Can. The hanging kitchen trash can provide you with a convenient place to store trash. It is small in size, but large in capacity. The trash bin can be folded when not in use, which greatly helps in kitchen organization. Use hanging trash cans to make your kitchen more tidy and organized. Features: hanging design. The trash can is hung on the cabinet door, which can quickly and accurately dump the trash into the trash can. Foldable design saves space. Fixed ring can fix garbage bag to prevent it from slipping. Made of PP material, durable and not easy to deform, easy to use and clean, portable. Hanging garbage can is used for car, kitchen, dormitory, etc. Specifications of compost bin kitchen material: PP plus TPR color, coffee, gray white size, 24 by 14 by 26 centimeters, thickness after folding 7 centimeters. Links to the products are given in the description box. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.